Kenya gained internal self-rule from the British colonial rule on 1st June 1963, when the country was allowed to form its first internal self-government, with Mzee Jomo Kenyatta as the first president. On 12th December 1963, Kenya attained full independence when Britain's Union Jack was replaced by the Kenyan black, red and green flag. Exactly 1 year later, Kenya became a republic on 12th December 1964. It is in this regard that Kenyans turn out in large numbers every 1st of June and 12th of December to celebrate Madaraka Day and Jamhuri Day, respectively, in commemoration of the hard-won freedom that came with such fresh air of a free people in control of their own destiny. Before we progress with this video, consider subscribing to this channel if you are new, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Stay tuned. The Republic of Kenya is a unitary state divided into 46 counties. The country is run by the national government and 47 county governments. The two levels of government work in close consultation for smooth running and coordination between the governments. Kenya's political governance has evolved over time with a mix of one-party and multi-party system. By and large, Kenya has essentially been a multi-party democracy since independence. Kenya had elements of a multi-party state until 1969, when the government first banned active multi-party politics, making Kenya a de facto one-party state. This lasted until 1992, when Section 2A of the Kenyan Constitution was repealed to allow for multi-party politics. Since then, the country is run on a multi-party political system whose hallmark is parliamentary democracy. The Parliament of Kenya is a bicameral house consisting of the National Assembly and the Senate. The National Assembly has a total of 349 members, plus the Speaker, who is an ex-officio member. The Kenyan Constitution establishes that the National Assembly shall consist of 290 members, and out of the 290 members, 47 must be women, who shall be nominated by political parties according to their proportion of members of the Senate. Also 12 members to represent special interests including the youth, persons with disabilities, and workers, and the Speaker, who is an ex-officio member. The Senate consists of 67 members plus the Speaker, who is an ex-officio member. Article 98 of the Constitution establishes that the Senate shall consist of 47 members, which must include 16 women members, who shall be nominated by political parties according to their proportion of members of the Senate, and also 2 members, being 1 man and 1 woman, representing the youth. 2 members also, being 1 man and 1 woman, representing persons with disabilities, and the Speaker, who is an ex-officio member. The members of the National Assembly are referred to as members of Parliament, while the members of the Senate are referred to as senators. Both members of Parliament and senators serve a 5-year term. The President of the Republic of Kenya, together with the Deputy President and the Cabinet Secretaries, comprises the executive. The President shall nominate and, with the approval of the National Assembly, appoint Cabinet Secretaries. A Cabinet Secretary shall not be a member of the Parliament. The President is elected directly for a 5-year term. In order to win, a candidate must garner 50% plus votes and 25% in half of the 47 counties. Parliamentary politics in Kenya is open, free, fair and highly competitive. Kenya has indeed held all its general elections every 5 years as required by the Constitution, without fail since the country attained independence in 1963. first election in Kenya was held in May 1963, in which Kenya African National Union won the majority and picked Mzee Jomo Kenyatta as its leader, subsequently becoming Kenya's first president. Mzee Jomo Kenyatta served as Kenya's founding father and first president of Kenya until October 1978, when Daniel Arap Moi took over as the second president after Mzee Jomo Kenyatta passed on. President Daniel Arap Moi handed over power in December 2002 to President Mwai Kibaki, who was elected as the third president. On March 4, 2013, Kenya held its first general election under the new constitution promulgated in August 2010, and Honorable Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta was elected as the fourth president of the Republic of Kenya, with Honorable William Samoei Ruto as his deputy. Both President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta and Deputy President William Samoei Ruto were re-elected for the second time under the new constitution on 26 October 2017, and the two will remain in office until the next general election, expected to be held in August 2022. We have come to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you are yet to, and also push our notification bell to get our videos each time we drop. Don't forget to like our video if you enjoyed it, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.